to give you another clip of this airport here in Mont-Tremblant. This is our plane out there. Okay? This is some sort of an office area. Pretty messy. And I'm here inside a wooden chalet. It's absolutely amazing. We're waiting for our checked luggage right now. There's customs over there. People getting picked up on the other side here. And here is a lovely little cozy sitting area in front of the fireplace. That's an airport building I've never seen before. Just cute and lovely. Beautiful wooden chalet here. Using Quebec timber, I'm sure.